How to see your full account history on Instagram mobile application. This tutorial will tell you exactly how to do that on my Android application, but you can also replicate the same thing on the iOS device as well. So without further ado, before we continue, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Instagram application on your mobile phone, and from your Instagram dashboard, go to your profile. Click on the bottom right, and then from there just click the triple horizontal lines or the hamburger button on the top right here, and from there just choose your activity here below the insight. You will be presented with a screen to view your activity from your Instagram, and then to view your account history just choose account history. Okay, scroll to the bottom. You will see that this year, for example, I created mine, blah blah blah. On your screen, it might just display your history sorted by the time, okay? And that's pretty much how you view your whole account history on Instagram mobile application. As always, if you find this content helpful and you wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, hesitate to put it on the comment section below. Cheers, hope it helps, take care, and goodbye YouTube.